For more information related to the presentation, you have the pamphlets on your tables, so you could have a look at it. Moving forward, we now proceed with the next session for today. Our presentations are the topic, Finance for Exports. For that, I would like to invite Mr. Ratul Mukhopadhyay, Senior Vice President, Commercial Banking Coverage Group, Axis Bank Limited.
Good evening, everyone. And at the outset, extremely thankful to the BCCI, Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industry, for inviting us here. So the subject is very close to and extremely relevant today as we go through our presentation. So I think this is something on which many earlier speakers have dwelled upon. So the MSMEs in India is growing at a frantic pace. 3.2 crores or 32 million MSMEs have been registered under Udyam, and the registration is doubling every year. So that is the rate at which we are growing. They are making a major contribution to our economy, contributing 30% to the GDP, almost 45-46% to the overall exports. And most importantly, in a country like ours, 237 million people have been employed in this sector. And as far as banks are concerned, well, there's a very healthy lending rate. I think the CAGR is 14% plus, and everyone is interested in the segment. Slightly repetitive information, but as Victor Hugo said, no one can stop an idea whose time has come. So definitely it's the day of the MSMEs, and going forward, things are going to improve from here. Well, why Axis Bank? So we are a large bank, over 5,500 branches spread all across the country, and we have a very strong presence in western part of India also, particularly in Mumbai. And we offer the One Axis solution under our branches and our network offices. So while we give advances, we have facilities for deposits, transaction banking, trade and forex services, retail banking, wealth management, of course, investment banking, because as we have seen in the last 3-4 years, many MSMEs are actually hitting the equity market with IPOs, and we do advisory there also. Going ahead, I think we'll stick to the subject which was given for this presentation, that is financing for exports in India. So I'll invite my colleague Sunil Pachlangia. He is director at our bank and is handling treasury and trade and forex projects. Sunil, over to you. Please come. I'm standing here.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is, I think, a very, very relevant topic today. I think colleagues before have spoken about the importance of MSME, right? The role that MSME is playing in the growth of the country, right? And if India were to grow 5 trillion, the target which has been, put by our Prime Minister, I think the nucleus of this growth is MSME, right? I don't want to repeat. Some of our colleagues have mentioned the importance of that sector. Just sticking on the topic of, a bouquet of products that we at Axis Bank offer and why Axis Bank, I think these are some of the products that we offer to MSME. It is a mix of conventional products, digital and cutting-edge products, right? Starting from import side, on the buy side and the sell side, common solutions. The thing that I want to emphasize is doing a transaction is one thing, right? But in today's day and age, doing a transaction the way a regulator wants it is another. The point that I'm trying to make is we at Axis have, a set of specialists which is taking care of not only the products but the rules and regulations, the FEMA, which is very, very important, right? Sometimes we tend to ignore in the fast-paced environment that in which we are living with, right? There's small things, the minute things that matter, that comes and bites you at a later point in time, right, with all the filings that one has to do to the regulator. And if there are misses, I think at that point in time you realize the importance of regulation. So the point that I'm trying to make is it's important to have an eye for detail, right, when you're looking in cross-border transactions, especially on the export side. As I mentioned, we have all the financing products available to MSMEs. Be it import, we will stick to export, but these are some of the products that I just wanted to make mention of. Yeah. These are the solutions available. So, talking about pre-shipment. Thank you. Pre-shipment credit and post-shipment credit, I think, very, very relevant. Again, as I said, in today's day and age, we're talking about INR rate, again, remaining elevated, right? With US, Fed, and ECB have kickstarted their rate cut cycle. So I think this becomes even more important, right? From time to time, you have those opportunities which are getting presented just by the difference in interest rate which is there, right? Apart from that, you have government thrust on the interest equalization scheme, which makes this product even more lucrative for MSMEs. So it's available both in INR and in major foreign currencies. Inward remittances, again, very conventional, but it's available with us in conventional form, and it's available in purely online fashion, the way most corporates, most MSME corporates and businesses professionals want it, right? We have retagged our internet banking by the name of Neo, which basically encompasses all our product suites on digital platforms. Our endeavor is to basically digitize each and every journeys. We don't want customers to kind of walk into our branches while we have 5,800 of them. We want customers to do transaction at their convenience as much as possible, right? Some of these products that are mentioned here, especially in the countries, LC bill negotiations, bank-to-bank collections, LC advising, especially in countries say in Africa or in certain high-risk countries, we are able to do, LC advising. We are able to add confirmations to the LCs to help our MSME exporters. Open account trade flows. We are there just about, you mentioned the products, we are able to there. Somebody spoke about nostros. We have all the major nostros in all the major currencies available with us to help the sector. Abhishek, you want to speak about the other programs? I'll just ask my colleague to talk about other programs on the MSME that we are facilitating.
So good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for being with us. It's a pleasure to be here. Just to brief about myself, my name is Abhishek Jain. I'm a chartered accountant and facilitating trade business with all of you since last 20 years. So before coming to the program, so just wanted to tell you about, see what is important in trade, right? We discuss about all these products, packing credit, export finance, bank line finance. So what we specifically do is sit with you, partner with you, and understand the working capital cycle. So I can come to you and say, okay, I can lend you, I can provide you, but is it actually required if it's a catch-rich SME? Okay, but you would have a problem, say whether if I export, I'll get money or not. I have got a LC, but whether I will get the payment or not. So we will sit with you and define that, okay, only if you get your LC confirmed through us, probably that is enough. You may not need a LC financing through us, okay. Similarly, somebody will come to you, you are exporting, okay. Please do forward cover through us, derivative cover through us. But at the same time, if you are also importing, do you actually require the hedging piece? Because there is a natural hedge, right? So what our specialists in Axis Bank do, partners with you, sit with you, tell you that discuss all your working capital cycle with you, and then product all the banks, all the, everyone we discuss, right? It is there, but it is very important to understand the business cycle and the issues we face in the SME business specifically, and provide the solutions accordingly. So this is the specialty which comes here. And this is like one kind of program like GTFP we were discussing about. So this is Global Trade Finance Program. So like we do export at a country wherein we are not very comfortable of receiving export payment. We are not able to get bank line. So we partners with say Exim Bank or Asian Development Bank, and we can get your LCs confirmed there also. So, and these all products are of course EFC. These are normal products as every bank will have. where we add value is providing you advisory solutions that which product suits you the best, not only selling the products, right? Of course, then we have all gambit of services, starting from when you want to manufacture your goods, buy your raw materials. So it start with packing credit, and then converting it into post-shipment finance, giving you export credits. Import side also, buyer's credit, be it vendor finance, it can be secured, unsecured, both. So we have all those gambit of products. And second, last but not the least, very important, now we all want ease of business, right? So there also, all these products are available in a digital mode. So we, sitting at our office, can apply for all these products. So which will, of course, facilitate you by a click of button. Maybe in 2 months' time, like RTGS or NFT, we do, right? So packing credit, we are going ahead, and it would be maybe a click of button for you. You need, say, 1 crore of packing credit. So you apply for a packing credit, and it can be disbursed to you on an immediate basis. So this is just about the product, but yes, it should be given to you as per your need, and not what as a bank we have. So digital platform will provide you all the ease of doing business. On click of button, there would be ready-made templates for LCs. There are ready, all your importers, exporters, overseas parties can be added to that digital forum, so that you need not to enter all those things again and again. So this all facility is available in our Neo digital business. So this is again the digital solutions, what we discussed. All these products are there in our digital systems. So I think this is just I wanted to cover additional what Sunil and Ratul has additionally covered. Thanks. Thank you so much.
And these are some of the awards that we have received over the last couple of years. Obviously, thanks to you and your partnership. Me and my colleagues are outside the hall, so if you have any query or anything, we can take it up after this meeting is over. Thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Vikas Kumar, Chief Manager, SME Branch, SBI, to deliver the next presentation.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Vikas Kumar, Chief Manager, SME Sakinaka Branch, SBI. So unlike other speakers, you heard the point of view from the top, but we are from the operational unit. I head a branch, and along with me is Riya. She is our RTMU, and she is from RTMU, and RTMU is the part of our treasury, central treasury, which we provide to our local customers based in Mumbai. In Mumbai, SBI is having 423 branches, out of which 420 branches are specifically designed for SME business. So I'm heading one of them. When we talk about exports, exports play a very crucial role in supporting and driving our Indian economy in several ways, kind of boosting economic growth, creating employment, promoting industrial development and diversification of market. I mean, because of export, we are less reliant on our domestic market. And of course, strengthening our foreign exchange reserves. When we see Indian export scenario, Maharashtra ranked second in contribution, and it contributes about 15.37% in Indian export. And when we see about the districts in Maharashtra which contribute the most is Mumbai, Pune, and Mumbai suburbans. And product-wise, engineering goods, gems and jewelry, and chemicals are the commodities which contribute the most. And global macroeconomic scenario, exports are most dependent on United States. Already United States, Mr. Trump has been elected as president, and likely measures by new US government are seen very positive for growth. Again, when we see about EU, Germany and France, they are recovering. China, mainly more stimulus is wanted, but there is certain reservation regarding related to new US regime. India, amid all these global challenges, is resilient, and even though second quarter results are not that positive, but we think we'll recover. Even though our forex market rupee slid after US election, but recent unwinding of US Fed rates expectation also does not favor our economy much. But but I think when we talk about SBI, how SBI is going to help in export. We are the market makers in export, having major oil companies and corporates along with us. We have daily volume of around $1.6 billion. Every day, our treasury deals with all the spot market, forward contracts, crosses, and options. Along with foreign exchange market, rupee market is also very, we are the market makers there also. In trade finance products, our pre-shipment and post-shipment products are the most competitive in the market. When we see the effective rates, as on 14th, our rates was without any concession and subvention 7.74. So we go for concession for all our esteemed customers, and after the subvention we get from Government of India, it goes below 5%. Similarly, in packing credit in foreign currency, our rates are most lucrative. It comes around 6.3 effective. As on 13 January, it was 6.3. Again, when we see about post-shipment finances, EBR and EBD we do, and the rates are also most lucrative in that also. Similarly, we provide other solution also. So Shreya will take 2 or 3 products, please, madam.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Shreya, Relationship Manager Treasury from SBI, and I'll take a few minutes of your time to explain a few relevant products to you. First, we have external commercial borrowings. ECBs are recently a popular option of raising money, as borrowers can avail cheaper interest rates from overseas markets. We offer underwriting and syndication services. For our retail customers also, we offer hedging products for their ECB transactions. We offer this product in all major currencies such as USD, GBP, JPY, and Euro. Next up is our FCNB loan product, where we provide foreign currency denominated loans at cheaper rates. The repayment tranches of these loans are fully hedged to protect our customers from currency fluctuation risks. This product is also offered in major currencies such as USD, Euro, GBP, and JPY. For our digital facilities, you only need one, which is our flagship YONO business product. It provides a single sign-on dashboard for all your business needs. We provide seamless and paperless banking through this software. Via its newly launched API product, it also integrates with your accounting platforms and enterprise resource planning platforms, so as to enable ease of doing business for you. These are some of our major products, which of course can be applied through via YONO business, and these will be completely paperless and seamless for you. Our eForex app, which is also one tile in YONO business, it is a super app. It offers you currencies traded, all major currencies. You can book a transaction as low as $1 through this platform. And there is also a negotiation mode for you to avail fine rates. There is also a dashboard which is helpful for all your MIS needs. You can place orders, you can view which orders you've placed, what rates you've booked. Everything is available in this product. So Thank you. We RMTs are in a unique position to provide you easy access to all our treasury products. Like Vikas sir already explained, our treasury offers a wide variety of products in both foreign exchange markets and rupee markets. Apart from that, we also provide you insights into currency movement and market news to help you access products which are more suited to your unique needs. Through our morning view messages and daily data wrap mailing list, we also provide updated and relevant market reports. We will share our contact details with you in the post session, and I hope this session was informative and productive for you. Thank you for your time.
Hello. Thank you so much for the presentation. I now request Mr. R. Srinivasan, Co-Chairperson, Bombay Chamber MSME Forum, to kindly present the mementos to our presenters. Mr. Ratul Mukhopadhyay, SVP Commercial Banking Coverage Group, Axis Bank Limited, and Mr. Vikas Kumar, Chief Manager, SME, SBI. Thank you, sir. Before we move into the next session, we have two announcements to make. It is a privilege to announce that the Bombay Chamber is organizing a webinar on post-budget discussion on Union Budget for the financial year 2025-26 in the month of February. The details regarding the webinar will be shared on Bombay Chamber's website soon, so we look forward to see you all virtually over there. Next is, Bombay Chamber is organizing its 12th biennial shipping conference in the month of February, that is 25th of February 2025. So it is a privilege that the Chamber is organizing this shipping conference with the help of the Shipping Ministry. There are various government officials, they will be present over there. We would like to thank all the presenters who are going to coordinate with this event. One more thing Bombay Chamber wants to highlight is that this shipping conference is for all those people who are interested into the conclave and the industry experts. So looking forward to see you all over there for our shipping conference. That's a biennial conference which Bombay Chamber organizes. Next session, moving into the next session, we will be having a short tea break. Request you all to be present over there for our next sessions. We will be having our Consulate Generals who will be presenting their thoughts and presentations for the next session. So looking forward to see you all over there. We'll join again in 10 minutes.